picked it all up and got it into the barrels and the tanks. And I want to thank all of you for the hard work. It was a very large harvest. In some ways, it was a bit challenging, but it's all good. It came in and we're very, very pleased.
Yeah, I like you, yeah, I like you, and I feel, whoa.
My favorite part of harvest would have to be hiring all the new, harvest helpers.
I think it's basically the reward. It's the reward to see all that work you've done all year long.
The best time is walking through the vineyards, understanding the vintage, and just discover what needs to be done for the next 3 months.
My least favorite part of the harvest is all of the skip knuckles and little boo-boos that we tend to come up with.
Been away from the family.
Would probably be the fact that I don't see my family a lot.
Probably when we get 5 inches of rain, we still have a third of the crop.
Maybe a lot of love.
Excitement.
Crazy fun.